My ears, like my head actually like hurts.
Walmart is exploding.
Oh no! We're all gonna die in Walmart! I have a ring!
Okay, that was horrible.
Like, my ear is bleeding after this, I won't be surprised.
Yeah. Time to find your...
It's like, it's like Genesis. It's even worse up here.
Yeah, we have to find your sister.
Oh, maybe they adjusted this for old people. I swear, this is probably like, I don't know, some kind of horror movie, you know? It's like, everyone evacuate Walmart! Hey, I don't know where Caitlin is. Bam. Some guy's like running.
Yeah.
What is that? It sounds like a dying Tweety, like. So yeah, I guess if we stayed in the Halloween stuff, they would have came and got us anyways.
Yeah.
It's like, evacuate! Dying Tweety. I should ask a worker. I just like her. Okay. And then everyone's all like, "What's happening? I need my apples and oranges, and I can't wait until tomorrow." And then like the fire guy goes in there, like no ear protection at all.
No protection.
So like I'm just gonna go in, and it's like, like oh, I don't know. Cause yeah, in the Halloween part it wasn't so bad, and then you start walking to the front, and it's like, okay, no, you're in the Halloween part. It's like, it's like, okay, what the hell is that? You go to the front, I'm like, it's like, kill me now. Might as well stick a knife in my ear. That's like the most ear-piercing noise. Oh.
Yeah.
And everyone's chilling by the dollar store.
Yeah.
The Walmart employees. Oh yeah, I see. Fire truck over there. See, this person's like coming into Walmart like, what the hell? Why is everyone standing there? Like, what's see? You see it? We got an emergency! It's a false fire alarm! Okay, let's make this as dramatic as possible because it's Walmart, and Walmart needs a good reputation. So we need to make it look as real as possible. Everyone out of the way! Out of the way! Are you zooming in on that? Out of the way! See this person parking right here, they're like, what the tails is happening? I'm just gonna go in and see what the tails is happening. And then, see the flashing lights, they're all like, ooh, we got the siren too, ooh.
Dramatic.
Yeah. It's like, oh yeah, see, we got our helmets. Gonna go in with our ear protection.
With our protection.
Ear protection. See, they might as well go in with the truck, because it's just that annoying of a noise, you know? Ramming Walmart. Oh! It's like, Walmart needs to be rebuilt. But then the walls would be, like, destroyed, so then the sound would travel, and everyone in Cold Lake, what is that? It's like, I'm trying to sleep!
And everyone's still worrying about their tampons.
Yeah! It's like, I need my tampons right now! I cannot...
I love how we were talking about periods in Walmart too.
Yeah, find like this jar of blood. It's like, oops, period. See, but you would see this scene and you would think, holy cow, there's a fire in one. No, it's just a false fire alarm. Because Caitlin, she's all like, well, the fire alarm was malfunctioning before I came to work, and now it's all like not shutting up, as you can hear. Dude, I'll like open this. That's loud.
Yeah.
It's like it's constantly swearing at us.
Yeah.
I mean, I know Walmart doesn't like us, but you know, holy cow.
Yeah.
Put some soap in that Walmart. Wait, there is soap in there. Not enough soap, obviously.
Wow.
See this person in the parking lot? They're all like, I'm just gonna chill and have a awesome view, you know?
Of Walmart.
Yeah, the Walmart. Hey, I think it stopped.
We need to go buy our tampons now.
Hallelujah, the sun is gone. Na, 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 na.